Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Blowing Smoke. The song is Full of Smoke. The artist is Christian. The choreography is Taz Jack Jack. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, I'll post a step-by-step instruction at the end of this video. And let's go.
And so the hustlers continue to hustle, and the players continue to play.
Is that smooth or what? That's a classic, y'all. It's called Blowing Smoke. I want to give a shout out to everyone supporting the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. We have about maybe 50 registrations left, and then we'll be sold out. So if you don't get a chance, if you're still interested and you don't get a chance to register, make sure you get on the website, on the wait list. Also, visit our website for detailed information to register, to book your room. Also, the itinerary is on our website and the playlist at www.lmiunola.com. Thank you again for your support. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.